Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube. I have not said that in so long, but we all know what's going on, so we're here. And we are here to review my first impressions of...
Mommy, be quiet. I'm taking a shower and taking a nap.
I'm sorry. I'll whisper, okay? But we are going to be reviewing the Easy Bake by Huda Beauty in the shade Ube Birthday Cake. And I also got the Huda Beauty Faux Filler Ooh Baby lip gloss. I'm so excited.
Are you whispering?
Yes, I'm whispering. I am so excited to be trying this with you guys. She's so cute. New packaging. I love the old one. The new one. I normally use peach pie, so yeah, I'm excited for this. So let's see what the hype is all about. I have my base down, my eyes are done. It's time to do our powder. We have all that on, okay? Now it is time for the powder.
Be quiet, so I'm taking a nap.
I'm sorry, Raya.
I smell it like you.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
I smell it.
You can smell it. It's color. I'm so excited to try this. I know you guys have seen so many videos. What's another one? Did normally used to pour out the powder in the top, but with this new top, you can't do that. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, you guys are ready? Ready? Okay, it's giving purple.
Anything. I like your makeup.
Thank you, baby.
Do you put eyeshadow on it?
No, that's not eyeshadow. It's setting powder, but it's purple. Isn't that cool? Okay, it's not giving the purple that I was thinking it was going to give. But I like it. I'm going to finish my makeup and then we will be back with the final results. Easy Bake powder. We love her. It's my go-to powder. This purple one, I love it on my skin tone. I feel like it complements everything so well. You know, purple and browns go together. You know, we're brown, or I'm brown. Ube Birthday Cake powder is so pretty. If you haven't got your hands on it, I think you should try it out. And look at how pretty that is. I have never tried any of her lip glosses before. I've never tried any of her lip glosses. You can try it. I've never tried any of her lip glosses before, so I'm also very excited to try this. So let me just go ahead and line my lips and I'll be right back.
This Ube lip balm is so good.
It is. Tell the camera right here.
It's so good.
What is it called? Ube lip gloss.
Ube lip gloss.
Say ooh baby.
Ooh baby.
Lip gloss. By Huda Beauty.
Huda Beauty.
I love it.
Oh, well.
Yeah. Alright, it is toddler approved, so let's see if I like it as well. I like the dofa.
I didn't do it here either.
Oh, you didn't? You need more?
Yeah, I need
Okay,
more.
let me give you more. Ooh, it looks so pretty on you. Okay, I think I'm gonna really like this. I do like the dofa on here. Ooh. We're finished. I love everything about this. I don't know, I think I'm just super hyped because I haven't sat down to actually film something like this in a very long time, and for it to be my first thing, for my first review to be Huda Beauty, I think that just takes the cake. Ube cake, get it? I love these two products. I really love this lip gloss shade. This powder, I do feel like I would layer it because it's a really good powder. It's my go-to powder, just not in the same shade, but I do feel like I would go with a lighter base. It is a 10 out of 10 for me. It's Huda Beauty. We all love her. She just never misses. So yeah, I'm so happy to be back with you guys. And yeah, hopefully you guys will come and subscribe and just keep up with whatever videos I have to offer you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.